In this movie, I'm going to show you the Easy Builders Contract Programme. When you're using Easy Builders Contract, you can create legally binding contracts for every building project that you undertake. It's quick and easy to use and an extremely cost-effective contract-making tool. Having a contract brings so many great things to a project. It provides protection and peace of mind for both you and your client. The responsibilities and obligations of both parties are clearly laid down, and once signed, you're in possession of a document that will assist and protect you should a dispute arise. Also, being able to provide a contract for works as standard will increase a client's confidence in your business's capability to get the job done. Let's take a look at how it works. Open the Easy Builders Contract Programme menu. Click Start a New Contract. Now we just fill in the simple forms. First, we decide if we want to import the information from an estimate or do it manually. We're going to look at both, but let's do an import first. Easy Builders Contract is compatible with New Houses and Extensions Plus and Total Build, so you can import an estimate or quote prepared in either of these programmes. Click the button. We're taken to the Clients folder. Click on the Programme folder. Click on the estimate. The programme will now get to work. In a few moments, it will have gone through this entire estimate and gathered the information it needs to write the contract. OK, so the next form contains the client and site address details. They're pre-filled from the quote. Click Continue. Check the project details. Again, these are pre-filled. Just complete this one. If the start date gets moved for any reason, or the acceptance of the job gets held up, it means the contract will state that it will begin within a predetermined number of weeks after the contract's accepted. Below this, you have contract options. Again, these are mostly pre-filled, but very self-explanatory. You have the option to enter the defect liability period required. If there isn't one, leave it blank. When you're happy with how this looks, click Continue. The additional options enable the contract to deal with interest rates on late payments, the retention percentage, and the percentage to be retained for the defects liability. Just put the numbers in here if these are required. The last thing to do is the Extras section. You can create a contract that can deal with grants, insurance, and deposits. These simple forms cover so many variables, the programme is really flexible and able to deal with the different contractual needs your projects may require. If you don't need any of these options, leave them blank. OK, believe it or not, we're done. 4 quick forms and the contract is ready to be printed. The contract created by the Easy Builders Contract Programme has been awarded a Crystal Mark by the Plain English campaign. They're an independent organisation that only awards the Crystal Mark to information that's clear and concise. You won't find any confusing legal jargon, slippery sentences or misleading information in this contract. Both you and your client will know exactly what you're agreeing to and not be subject to the problems that can occur when either party hasn't fully understood what they're signing. Making a contract is so quick with this programme. Let's do it again, using the manual option this time. The manual option means you don't need to have an Easy Price Pro estimating programme to benefit. See, the forms are exactly the same, but with this option, you just fill in all the details manually. The forms are really easy to understand, so knowing what to put in is really straightforward. Just complete the boxes that are relevant to the work on each of the forms. You'll be finished in no time at all. When you have everything you need, just click Print Contract, and it's done. Creating a legally binding contract that you and your client can fully understand is done in just a few clicks with the Easy Builders Contract. Just think of all the money and time you can save, not to mention all the hassle you can prevent. If you can already see exactly what this programme could bring to your business, you can purchase now from our website and begin creating your own contract straight away. Go to www.easypricepro.com. Or if you prefer, give us a call on 0845 612 4747 or send us an email, info@easypricepro.com. We'll be more than happy to answer any questions that you might have. Thanks for watching, and we'll look forward to hearing from you soon.